Welcome to everyone to this webinar on quieter aircraft design and how we can use our tools at SIMULIA to help with designing quieter aircraft. Very excited to cover this topic today with my two co-presenters, Matt and Eduardo. What we'll do here is I will provide an introduction to the tools we're using, a little bit of the history, how we have developed and validated it. And then Matt and Eduardo will provide the industrial perspective about how they have used the tools in their industrial applications and what kinds of topics and problems they've been able to address with it. Secondly, just wanted to quickly remark on the topic of quieter aircraft and make clear what we're talking about here is really the community noise aspect. How loud is an aircraft as perceived on the ground? Not so much the passenger comfort aspect of quietness. This is an application we can also handle with our tools, but that's not the topic of the webinar today. So let's jump right in. Let's first look at why is this an important topic? Why are we excited about it? What are the industry challenges? First of all, it is clear that every aircraft that's being developed today and will enter the market in the next 10 years or and beyond will face much tighter noise regulations requirements than existing aircraft. That comes from regulations issued by certification authorities like the FAA or the EASA, but as well it can come from local airports that can issue even stronger requirements to protect their communities, and they can simply say, well, if you don't meet these noise levels, you cannot take off or land here. Secondly, we are in a period of transition in this industry overall, where new technologies are emerging, and aircraft of the future will probably not like the tube and wing shapes we've been used to for the past 70 years. And thirdly, to address these challenges with physical testing is quite difficult and expensive. Wind tunnel tests can generally only be performed at model scales that may or may not correctly capture all noise generating mechanisms, and flight testing can obviously be done only very late in the process. It's also very expensive, but that late in the process it's very expensive to fix noise issues.